Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and S&P 500 price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is intraday. After our daily live stream today, we said we're gonna see a little bit higher prices taking the all-time high here. And of course, an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. How much beautiful is that with high level of precision and very perfect prediction here was, of course, taking the all-time high very simply in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing wave 5 and a wave 3 in the yellow, and then moving right now potentially for a wave 4. Now, I mentioned also a possible scenario, guys, that we might get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is also a possibility, meaning right now, if we don't see, of course, a very deep wave 4, because you have a very shallow wave 2 here, the wave 4 has to be very, very deep. Let's add some levels and some fibs here for this wave 4. Okay, here we go, wave 4 in impulse. So here we go. You would like to see the 0.23. And regarding the timing as well, which is very important to be reached over there, is here. So basically what I'm looking for is a very sharp zigzag. So don't be surprised if we drop very massively, guys. We might hit this box, okay, and we might move very sharp, okay, like a zigzag, and then start to move toward the upside again. So yeah, there is this possibility, of course, and another possibility is having like a very short wave 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, I'm gonna stick with a potential higher wave 5 here in case we get a wave 2. We're gonna try to estimate and try to find the difference between a wave 2 and a wave 4, right? So this is the thing. But basically, I would like to see a wave 4, wave 5, 4, and a 5 continuation toward the upside. So I cannot complain, guys. Everything is working great since yesterday and since this week. So I would say this scenario is still unfolding as bullish. I know that we might see a little bit lower prices, very low possibility for the bearish, which is a leading diagonal. And that because, of course, you are very corrective here. Very corrective. You took the all-time high, meaning you are in ABC expanding flat. But even in this case scenario, you will not reach the 0.38. Therefore, you would like to see something impulsive, guys, like A, B, and a C somehow like that. This did not happen, and giving higher potential, of course, for the bullish scenario. Let's move to the S&P 500. The S&P 500, did it finish the impulse or not? Well, I can say yes and no. The S&P is always very, very laggy and not clear, but basically you have 1, 2, 3, potentially 4, 5, but not succeeding to take the high, which is I cannot accept it, right, as a wave 5 yet. Therefore, I'm still looking for 4 and a 5, knowing that the SPX is lagging much more often than the Nasdaq, and it might follow up, of course, for the high and then moving down later on for this wave 4. So yeah, we need to watch what's gonna happen, but I believe that this can be something like a wave 4, maybe, or a deeper one. And I'm not really sure if this time it's gonna follow 100% with Nasdaq, but honestly, I don't see a finished impulse, okay? Therefore, I'm still looking for higher. I need to see one more high, honestly. And the wave 2 here timing, it doesn't fit perfectly yet. You still need more time for a wave 4 and then moving for a wave 5. Therefore, I'm still looking for higher sooner or later, potentially for the S&P. Yep, so these are potentially the scenarios for S&P and the Nasdaq intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.